Hi everyone, good morning, welcome. My name is Bruce Schwartz. I'm in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. I'm using a CGXL 1400 high definition telescope. It's a 14-inch telescope. This is Bessel Crater 9 miles. To give you an idea of the size, right? We can see small enough on the surface, but not small enough probably to see if there's any flag there if they would have landed. I mean, it's due to optics. That's just sort of logical. So I'm going to get some music up, guys, and high resolution, some tests. Wait till you see the way I got the surface of the moon, trying to get it as crisp as I can. And guess what? I got a UFO with the new camera. I am seeing them twice as clear. It looks like some cube. There are lights shooting out of it. It's lighting up. We'll go see that. And guess what? Well, during the storm, there was a blood moon for me here. So I only got a couple of pictures of it, but I am so happy I did because for the first time, my first blood moon capturing it actually, because I wasn't working. I was working here full time doing this. I got it in the snowstorm, guys, right through the squalling of the snow. And I got a couple nice shots to see the beautiful red underneath and that electrical blue at the top of the moon. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. In my research from time to time, every time I go up, I find a UFO on the surface. It's always a different type of UFO, a different shape, a different object. And at times, I've even thought that I have seen some type of creature. As funny as it sounds, look back in the videos, those just arriving to the channel. Maybe there's a lot of clickbait channels out there. I don't know. I'm not saying there are, but a lot of people are skeptical when they come here. I've caught a lot of UFOs in the recent days that have gone by, and on January 17th in particularly, right beside Copernicus crater in the footage. And now I'm going to be able to see it close up. This is the first time capturing a UFO in 2019. So this is the first UFO of 2019. It has lights on it, lights coming from it, lights being shot out or coming from that object. And yeah, a shadow once again on the surface. I've been showing this several times that the UFOs that I'm capturing are so close to the surface, guys, that they have their own shadow. The shadow is there now, but we're going to get in and I have to slow it down to show you, get a circle over it. It's not easy to show this. And of course, some people just say, yeah, so what? Two dots. No, there are always two dots. The ones I'm finding that are on the surface, there are always two dots. Right now, the shadow is following it. This is the UFO, and the shadow is following it. Whether it's debris or not, guys, there it is, the shadow. A UFO is simply an unidentified flying object, meaning it's in the sky, we don't know what it is. Natural or not, it's still a UFO. And it's pressed up against the surface of the moon, and that's the most interesting part. It's going to get interesting. The camera, once I master it, we're going to be able to see these objects a lot clearer. And already we're seeing a shape, at least. They're not just blotches. There's lights coming from this object. We're going to zoom in and see it in slow detail, the lights that are coming from it. They actually look like, what are these objects shooting? Are they vessels? If they're vessels, which they most likely are, they're shooting something. Watch the lights coming from the UFO going towards the bottom of the circle. It will be in front or coming from this object. This is the blood moon. Yes, I was so lucky to get it because, and it sucks. Honestly, I'm happy to see the colors. It's amazing. Yes, I was, lucky to see it. But in a snowstorm, I could have got this full screen and I could have filmed it live, seeing this actual color live. But it'll come again. Not soon. A couple of years, I guess. I was lucky to get it. That's the beauty, I guess, and, the thrill of it all. You don't always get what you want when you're looking for something with your camera or trying to capture something to show someone. But let me tell you, I was really happy to get these images. And of course, the more I got close, it was snowing, but still a beautiful spectacle of this. And this, by the way, I could see with my eyes, with the naked eye in the sky. It really was beautiful. And I believe that red and the blue is the reason why I was able to capture the moon. If not with the snow, I would never have been able to, the camera wouldn't have distinguished it. These are the 3 shots that I was able to capture. And again, just beautiful to see the light around it. Look at the blood moon. It really is a blood moon, isn't it? And for the first time in my life, I was able to capture it red. This is the angle it was, and that's the actual photo, the first one, the closest one I could get in a snowstorm. More to come, guys. Thanks for watching.